Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on Charles Schwab. First, let's get your account set up. Opening an individual brokerage account is a straightforward online process, typically taking about 1 day. You'll need to provide some personal details, including your social security number and employment information. Identity verification is also required, usually by uploading a valid ID. The good news is that most accounts have no minimum deposit, making it accessible for new investors. Once your account is open, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link an external bank account for online transfers, which are a popular and convenient method. Other options include wire transfers or mailing a check. Online bank transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days to process, and Charles Schwab does not charge any fees for these deposits. This flexibility ensures you can get your money into your account efficiently. Now let's walk through placing a buy order. After logging in, go to the trade section and select stocks and ETFs. You'll then enter the ticker symbol for the investment you want. You can choose from various order types, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. You can also buy fractional shares of S&P 500 stocks, starting with as little as $5 per slice. Selling an investment is just as straightforward. From your account positions, select the stock or ETF you wish to sell. Choose Sell as your action and enter the quantity of shares. Similar to buying, you'll select an order type, such as a market order for quick execution or a limit order to control the selling price. Always review all the order details on the confirmation screen before placing your trade to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.